me a story.
Not yet. Cut it out. In 3. Hello.
Tell me a story.
Oh, you want a story from me? Oh, well, how about for today about the COVID-19 coronavirus? That thing that literally.
Don't say it.
Oh, crap.
Okay, tell me a story. Boostbear.
Okay, at the beginning, there's a virus here called COVID-19 that starts to eat everyone in China and literally he screwed everyone.
Eat?
Not exactly. It's just a metaphor, okay? It just eats everyone. Not eats everyone. Just infect everyone. Just every regular bite, and then at the next thing. Yeah, you know what I mean.
You mean that virus is a meme?
Yes, we're not allowed to say the C word because, well, not like this. This not like the other C word, bad word, but it's kind of like we're just gonna call it by the code name, because people are too scared to say about it. But since we're what to respect it, yeah, hell yeah, we do.
Even though it's all over the news, YouTube. Are you serious?
Yes. Heck, you know how I got these things? I haven't had to search from Google to make this flipping video. Huh? You think I don't know the budget for this video?
No.
Wow, you're stupid.
No.
Anyway.
You're stupid.
Anyway, recap right now from Boostbear over here. We still don't have any growth and we still don't have any flip. Recap alert from all the news right now. We're still in quarantine, and I'm literally telling you a story about how a virus just did. Not very friendly and also a bit R-rated at the same time.
A little bit.
Well, at least you won't say anything savage, right?
COVID-19 is shit.
Okay.
They live in shit. They live in dirtiness and shit.
Oh, you don't say something controversial. Okay, that's a story from Boostbear over here. Please share back from our story over here with my bro over here, and subscribe to this channel where my creator Eva Boost created me. All right, to the zoo. Bye bye.